Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an app from your smartphone. Now there are two ways to do this depending on your device, so see which one works for you. Now let's jump right in. First, let's power on the device. Next, we will find the app we want to delete. Method 1 is holding down the app and dragging it to the top of your screen where you will see Uninstall. Then dropping it down. Method 2 is hold down the app for 3 seconds, let go, and click the Uninstall button above. Click OK. You have successfully uninstalled an app. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found the video informative, click the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.